Hello and good morning from Dubai International Airport Terminal 2. Flydubai and Emirates merged recently and they work together on some routes and passengers. Okay, welcome back to my channel. It's 16 July. Today I'm going to fly from Dubai International Airport to Bahrain International Airport on Boeing 737 MAX 8 of Flydubai flight. I checked in and passed through the immigration and now going by airport internal bus to board the aircraft, the Boeing 737 MAX 8. Flydubai is a budget airlines, but it still offers a business class and economy class on Boeing 737 MAX 8. There she is. Bahrain, we are coming. Oh no, there is a gap. You can see each seat is equipped with a TV screen.
Brother, how's your leg room?
Very fine, but this is the new flights.
Okay.
Now there is with high rest, and then leg space also they have increased.
Okay.
This is a new model.
Also they have a
Screen.
Okay. What we got here?
Safety rules.
Uh-huh. Menu, brother. Food menu.
There is a food menu on the seat packet.
Sanitizer rules.
The window is quite wider comparing to other versions of the Boeing 737, the older versions. Below the TV screen, you will see the USB port and audio port. Flydubai offers nice entertainment, movies, TV shows, and flight information. Don't forget, Flydubai is a budget airlines, so you have to purchase your headset. Yeah, one more thing I like to mention: for reserve a seat while booking the ticket will cost you extra money. Also, if you want to switch your seat near to emergency exit will cost you extra money. Flight information. This flight is quite new. Still can smell the brand new interior.
It also shows the brace position you must adopt if you hear brace or at the front of the cabin. Floor level lighting will guide you to an exit. Please take time to locate your nearest exit and remember that the nearest usable exit may be behind you in the unlikely event of having to use adjusted and opens like this. And breathe normally. The elastic
There is a credit card reader on each and every seat.
settlement. Once again, thank you very much. Fly was enjoy stay, and see you next time. Have a good day. Thank you. Bahrain الساعة الساعة 7:04 صباحا حسب التوقيت المحلي. من أجل سلامتكم وسلامة الآخرين بكم وبعض الجالسين في مقاعدكم حالة الطقس الطائرة بشكل عام. يتأكد عن إجابتكم الشخصية معكم عند مودة الطائرة وتذكيركم أن في ممنوع الحيرة من أمراضكم وقصص الرئيسية من المسافرين. يمكنكم أن تستخدموا المتحدث الصحي المحلي عند الوصول من المسافرين واستوفر لكم السلطات المحلية التعليمات اللازمة. يجب عليكم أن تأخذوا بالتأكيد في جميع الأوقات. نيابة عن فلاي دبي وكاملة التحقيق أتمنى أن تكونوا قد استمتعتم بحياتكم اليوم. شكرا لاختياركم فلاي دبي بالتعاون مع طيران الإمارات.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bahrain. The local time here is 7:45. The outside temperature is 34 degrees. Please remain in your seat with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Take care when opening overhead lockers as items may move and may fall out causing injury. Please ensure you have all your belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. You may now use your mobile phone and remember that smoking is not permitted until you're inside the designated smoking area in the terminal building. Earn miles for this flight by joining Emirates Flydubai loyalty program next time you fly with us. Check in online and save some time. Please ensure that you maintain social distancing whilst leaving the aircraft. Please comply with all health regulations on the airline and terminal building. Guides will be given to you by local authorities. You must ensure that you wear your face masks at all times. We hope that you enjoyed your flight with us today. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you for choosing Flydubai in partnership with Emirates.
Thank you.